Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delightful oyster mushroom soup. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 1 pound of fresh oyster mushrooms, 1 medium onion, and 2 cloves of garlic. Also, have on hand 4 cups of vegetable broth, 1/2 cup of heavy cream, and 2 tablespoons of butter or olive oil. Don't forget salt, black pepper, and some fresh herbs for garnish. This simple recipe promises a rich, comforting meal. Now, let's get everything ready for cooking. Begin by gently cleaning your oyster mushrooms with a damp cloth. Avoid rinsing them under water. Tear them into rustic, bite-sized pieces. Next, finely chop 1 medium onion and 2 cloves of garlic. These aromatics will form the flavorful foundation of our soup. Finally, measure out your 4 cups of vegetable broth and 1/2 cup of heavy cream, setting them aside. It's time to start cooking. In a large pot or Dutch oven, melt 2 tablespoons of butter or heat olive oil over medium heat. Add the chopped onion and garlic, sautéing for about 5 minutes until they are soft and fragrant. Then, add your prepared oyster mushrooms. Cook them until they release their moisture and begin to brown, which takes about 8 to 10 minutes. Pour in the 4 cups of vegetable broth, bring it to a gentle simmer, and let it cook for 15 minutes. We're almost done. Reduce the heat to low and stir in 1/2 cup of heavy cream. Heat the soup gently, ensuring it doesn't come to a boil, which could cause the cream to curdle. Season with 1 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper, adjusting to your taste. Ladle the warm, creamy soup into bowls and garnish with fresh chopped parsley or chives. Enjoy this comforting and flavorful homemade oyster mushroom soup.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.